भूर्भुवस्वः
भूर्भुवस्वः
तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्।
Hello student. Okay, so last we have started the revision of the chapter number 10, measurement, right? Okay, so on which we have done with the two questions, I guess, because the first question MCQ I have done. The second question on which I have done with the few question of it, and the remaining questions I have given you in the homework, right? Okay, so let's do the next question. Moving forward to the next question, which is question number 3. Okay, so in the question number 3, the question is given like converts the unit shown. Then so इसमें हमें जो units दी है उसको convert करना है, which is given. Okay, let's see the first question. Third question, convert. Okay, so first one of it, the question is like 31 meter is equals to dash centimeter. So see about this question, third question you have to do in the both in the worksheet also as well as in the notebook. Then ये वाला जो थर्ड क्वेश्चन है वो आपको वर्कशीट में भी करना है और नोटबुक में भी करना है, because in the notebook you have to write all the methods, because ये वाला some of the question, हाँ I guess maybe you can do it directly this question then, but not all the questions you can do directly. So some of the questions you have to do in the mathematical wise. So that's why I am giving you all the questions that you have to compulsory do in the notebook also, then with the method. In this one you can write the answer only. इसमें आपको जहाँ पे blanks दिए वहाँ पर आपको answers लिख देना है बाद में, ठीक है? Okay, let's do the first question. Meter to centimeter, we know the simple thing. This one is 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter, so that 31 meter is equals to 31 multiplied by 100, right? And that is equals to 31 and 20 we have to put. Then directly इसमें multiplication करने की जरूरत नहीं है, because it is with the 100, so we just have to add 20 at the number which is multiplied at last. Then this answer in the centimeter. Then so this one answer is 3100. Let's do the second question. 22 centimeter. That is in the meter and centimeter. So this one I guess there is a correction, some of the correction in the number. So I'll do the correction right now only. 1 2 is missing in this one. Then actually the question is like 222 centimeter, right? And that we have to convert it into meter or and centimeter, right? So change that questions like that, 222 centimeter into meter and centimeter, right? Okay, let's do that question also. Okay, So one thing we know about this one is 1 meter is equals to, so I am doing that question with the first one method. Done? See, remember in this question we have done the two method. We have solved with the two method of this kind of questions. So two of that, first one I am doing it. Done? जो डिवीजन वाली मेथड है वो सेकंड मेथड है, उसके अलावा की जो मेथड है उससे मैं ये कर रहा हूँ. ठीक है. 1 मीटर इज इक्वल्स टू 100 सेंटीमीटर. So this 222 centimeter we can write or we can expand like in two ways. So हमें यहाँ पर 100 की फॉर्म में चाहिए वो, right? So we can write as a 200 centimeter, right? And जो remain रहेगा वो 22 centimeter. Okay, now this 200 centimeter we can write like a 2 meter, because 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. So this 200 centimeter is equals to 2 meter, and this 22 centimeter as it is. So answer will be like 2 meter and 22 centimeter. Understood? Okay. Let's do the next question. Next one is somewhat hard, as you can see that. Why I am telling you after that. Let me write the first question of that one. Okay, some of the questions in this worksheet are like that, which you haven't seen this type of question in the textbook. Right? So you have to put your attention in this one. Okay, so question number 3, 2 kilometer and 20 meter is equals to how much millimeter? Okay, so as you can see in this one that that much difference are there in this one. 2 kilometer is given. Let me write it properly. Is equals to this much of mm. Right? Okay. So first we have to convert kilometer to meter, then after meter to centimeter, and then after centimeter to mm. Then, but we just convert kilometer to meter only for now. उसके बाद वाले प्रोसेस में आपको बाद में बताता हूँ. Let's first convert this 2 kilometer into meter. So we can write like that. 2 kilometer is equals to 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. So that 2 kilometer is equals to 2000 meter. Right? Okay, so this 20 meter is added in this one, so we are remain with now 2020 meter, and that we want to convert into the mm. Okay, now let's write the table. जो हमने टेबल याद रखा था वो, which is मीटर, सेंटीमीटर, मीटर, डेसीमीटर, centimeter and millimeter. Right? So now we have to jump from this to direct this one. Then so obviously हम बड़े में से छोटे में जा रहे हैं तो हमें मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा किससे? You have to multiply with the 1000. Then we have to multiply with the 1000. Otherwise आपको क्या करना पड़ता? मीटर में से आपको सेंटीमीटर वाला इक्वेशन लगाना पड़ता है, देन आफ्टर सेंटीमीटर में से मिलीमीटर वाला. ये वाला जो है वो डायरेक्टली मेथड हो जाएगी, बिकॉज हमें ये आती भी है और हमने ये सीखी भी है. डन. सो मीटर में से डायरेक्टली आपको mm में अगर जाना हो तो आपको मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा 1000 से. वाई? बिकॉज वी हैव टू टेक द 3 जंप्स, एज यू कैन सी दैट 1 2 and 3, और एक जंप में हम 10 आगे बढ़ते हैं. राइट? सो ये 10 मल्टीप्लाई 10 मल्टीप्लाई 10, so it is equals to directly 1000. So this one we can write like 2020 multiply by 1000, so that we can get the answer of this one in the millimeter. So this answer is a 2020 and लास्ट में आपको सिर्फ 3 0 ऐड कर देने हैं, then that's what you get as answer of this one. Then okay, let us write the answer 20201230 mm. Okay, so ideally if you got, then this answer is a 20,20,000 mm, right? Okay. So this type of difficulty level are there in this question revision sheet. Next, let's do the fourth one. Question number 4. 80 meter is equals to dash decameter. So I guess you haven't forget that equation, huh? Because meter यहाँ पे आता है, and after यहाँ पर क्या आता है? It's a obviously the decameter, then after hectometer, and then after kilometer, right? इस तरह से था ना? Huh? So right now we just need this two only. Then so you haven't forget, I get meter and डेकामीटर. सो यहाँ पे हमें यहाँ से यहाँ पे जाना है. देन सो इट इज फ्रॉम स्मॉलर वन टू बिग वन. सो एक ही जंप लगाया, सो दैट मीन्स वी हैव टू डिवाइड इट विद द 10. देन आइदर यू रिमेंबर ऑल द थिंग्स और यू रिमेंबर दिस वन थिंग ओनली. देन सो अगर आपको इन दोनों के बीच का रिलेशन नहीं पता है, सो ये वाला ये वाली चीज जो है वो काम आएगी. अदरवाइज अगर रिलेशन पता है, दैट इज रिलेशन ऑफ बिटवीन दिस टू इज 1 डेकामीटर इज इक्वल्स टू 10 मीटर. देन सो ये डायरेक्टली हो जाएगा. बट अगर आपको रिमेंबर नहीं है तो ये वाली इक्वेशन काम आ सकती है. सो दैट मीन्स यू हैव टू डिवाइड दिस मीटर विथ 10. सो दैट इज 80 डिवाइड बाय 10. सो 10 8s are 80. So you will get the answer as a 8. Answer 8 decameter. Done. Next one 53, you can do 53 meter, you can do the same as like that one only. So that one I am giving you in the homework. Fifth one. Next sixth one, it is a very simple kg to gram only, so directly you can do it. Next seventh one, that is also the reverse of that one. That type of questions also we have done in the a textbook. Next after that 5 kg and 600 gram, so that you have to convert it into gram. No worry about that. It's also simple. Ninth one I am doing it. Ninth one. This type of questions also we have seen in the textbook also. That and also let me revise this kind of question. 3805 gram converted into kg and gram. Okay, so in the centimeter and meter I guess मैंने फर्स्ट वाली मेथड से करवाया था, तो इसमें मैं सेकंड वाली मेथड से करवाऊंगा, which one is a division method. It is a division method. So as per that I guess we have known the equation relation between the kg and gram. That is 1000 gram is equals to 1 kg. So that means अगर मुझे कन्वर्ट करना है इसको, तो मुझे किससे डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा? 1000 से. Then so that is like 3805 divided by 1000. Then so So ideally we can get the answer from this one. 1000 fours करेंगे तो it would be bigger than that one because it is the answer is 4000, right? So we have to keep three only. So 1000 threes are 3000 minus 508 and 0. So this is the remainder and this is the quotient, right? So as per that method we remember that the quotient is the answer in the kg, that is 3 kg, and the remainder is the answer in the gram, which is 805 grams, right? Okay, let's do the next one. Okay, next 10th one and 11th one. I am doing the 11th one. Remaining one, there is one only remain after that, which is 12th one. That also you can do in the homework. 12th one. Sorry, 11th one. 4200 ml is equals to this much of liter and this much of ml. Okay, let's do this question with the first method. हमें छोटे से बड़े में convert करना है, right? One thing about we know about this one also, which is 1000 ml is equals to 1 liter, right? Okay, so as per that 4200 ml, let's convert it into in this form, जिसकी वजह से यहाँ पे लास्ट में 30 आए, तो इसके लास्ट में 3 जो डिजिट्स है उसको 0 बना देते हैं. सो 4 and 30 और बचेगा क्या यहाँ पर 2 and 20, राइट? अगर इन दोनों का एडिशन करेंगे हम, सो वी गेट द आंसर एज 4200 ओनली, राइट? Why I converted like that? Because उसमें डायरेक्टली मैं कन्वर्ट कर सकता हूँ. So now as per that 4000 ml is equals to 4 liter and this is as it is as a 200 ml. Done? So this is I have done with the first method. Answer is 4 liter and 200 ml. Done? Okay, so rest remaining all the questions of this third questions you can do it by yourself in homework. Okay. Okay, now let's do the question number 4th, last question of this chapter, for this chapter, which is word problems. Okay, word problems are there. First word problems is the building of the city hall is good news for you. For this questions you have to do in the revision sheet only. No need to do this question in the notebook. Okay, building of the city hall is 1654 mm tall. Express the height of the building in meter and millimeter, right? Okay, so we just have to convert the first one into the mathematical form. First, it is our first step. I am reminding the step that we have to do when we have done the word problems of this kind. So the question is like given like 1650 millimeter. This is the height of the building that we have to convert it into meter and mm. Then this is not as simple as the textbook one. Okay, let's see first the relation between the meter and mm. So वो पहले हमें आना चाहिए कि मीटर और मिलीमीटर के बीच में रिलेशन कौन सा हो सकता है. So we know about that 1 1000 millimeter is equals to 1 meter, and 1000 millimeter is equals to 1 meter. ओके, आई एम टेलिंग यू हाउ. अगर आपको ये वाला रिलेशन नहीं पता है तो आप फाइंड भी कर सकते हो. यू नो द ऑर्डर ऑफ दैट मीटर, डेसीमीटर, सेंटीमीटर and millimeter. Done? Okay, so now you have to convert millimeter to meter. So that means आपको यहाँ से यहाँ पे जाना है, right? So आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? Divide करना पड़ेगा. Then obviously you have to divide it, but the relation between this one is 1, 2, 3. 3 jumps you have to put. So that means 1 millimeter, अगर 1 मीटर लिखोगे तो वो इसमें क्या आएगा आपका 1000, that means 1000 mm. So by this method you can get the relation between two units, any two units. Right? Okay. So we can do this question with the division method also. We can divide this simply with the 1000 and we can find the answer. Or we can do with the first method that we have done, expand this number in this form. Okay, so I am doing that with the first one, 1654 mm. Expand it in the form like कि जिसकी वजह से लास्ट में 3 0 आए. So 654 को हटाकर हम 3 0 लगा देंगे. आगे तो 1 ही है, वो एज इट इज 1, और यहाँ पे 654 को हटा के 3 0. एक्सपांड फॉर्म ओनली. एक्सपांडेड फॉर्म के बारे में तो हमें पता ही ऑलरेडी. 654 mm. This is also mm. So as we know that 1000 mm is equals to 1 meter. So this is equals to 1 meter, and this we got as the mm, right? So the answer of this one is 1 meter and 654 millimeter. Right? Okay, now as this one is the word problem, so we have to write this answer in the sentence form compulsory. So we can write like that: the height of the building is 1 meter and 654 mm. Then okay, so that's how we have to write the answer, right, in the sentence form, because this one is the word problems. Then okay, next. Okay, so after that there are the second question is for the addition that I am not doing because I am giving you the homework. Then after third one is also, I guess, addition question is only there. Okay, fourth one question is also, I guess, that one only. For let me do the fourth one. Question number 4. An empty water tank was filled with 500 liter and 750 liter of water in the morning, and 280 liter and 250 ml of water in the afternoon. How much water was filled a day? Then so मॉर्निंग में उसको फिल्ड किया था 500 ml एंड 750 ml से, एंड आफ्टरनून में उसमें और वाटर डाला था 280 लीटर एंड 250 ml का. सो एट द एंड ऑफ द डे टोटल मीन्स पूरे दिन में कितना वाटर उसमें डाला गया. सो ऑब्वियसली वी हैव टू डू द एडिशन इन दिस वन, राइट? ओके, नाउ this type of questions we have done with the model method. Then first we have to draw the model, and then after we'll complete the question. Okay, Say for example, this much of water they gave in the morning, which is 500 liter and 750 ml. Next, let's say this much of water they give afternoon, at afternoon, मीन्स टैंक में डाला था आफ्टरनून के बाद, which is like 280 liter and 250 ml, right? Okay, so total is कितना होगा, that we have to find. टोटल मीन्स इन दोनों का एडिशन कितना होगा, then okay, let's write the sentence. Okay, so in the morning the amount of filled in the morning, okay, amount, not write the amount, oh, it's not the proper word I guess for you. Okay, we'll write the simply water in the morning next sentence, water in the afternoon and total water in a day. That I guess we have to find. Let's write water in the morning, that is equals to 500 liter and 750 ml. Water in the afternoon, it's a 280 ml, sorry, 280 liter and 250 ml, and total we have to find. Okay, let's find the addition of this one. Over here we put the liter and ml, 500, 750, 280 and 250. We have to do the addition of this one, right? 0 plus 0, 0, 0, 5 plus 5, 10, 0 here, 1 carry over, 7 plus 1, 8, plus 2, 10, 0 here, 1 carry over, 1 plus 0 plus 0, 1, 0 plus 8, 8, 5 plus 2, 7. So the answer is 781 liter and 00 ml. Then this is the final answer that we got, 781 liter and 000 ml. So that answer we have to write in the sentence form also, that is the total water in the tank is 781 liter 000 ml. Then okay, so that's how we have to do the word problem also. Then first we have to do the model method, then after sentence, then after calculation, and then after that you have to write the answer in the sentence form. Okay, so that's it for today. So today we have done with the question number 3, on which we have converted the questions, and at last we have done with the word problems of the measurement. Then okay, so today's your homework is to complete the all questions which is remain in the question number 3 and 4. कन्वर्ट में जितने बाकी थे वो, एंड वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स में आई गेस 2 ही बाकी थे, 2 and 3. 1 and 4 I have done, remaining 2 you have to do it at your homework. Okay, thank you everyone, bye bye.